Hey guys, what's up? I'm Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 9 years old. I'm the co-founder of TennisCircuit.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel, my brother's channel, and Tennis for the Kids channel. So today is a very special video. Oh, very special video. Guys, I have reached my 100 videos milestone. I have reached my 100 videos milestone. It happens with everybody now. What happened to YouTube is, like mine, I just uploaded the Bella Ciao video on YouTube. But mine, including that, mine are 100 videos, but it's showing only 99 videos. So I don't know why it just happens with everybody now. I don't know what's happening, but it's just happening. But guys, I'm so happy. I have reached my 100 videos milestone. You guys have you have liked my videos, comment. You have given me so many comments, and you're really liking my videos, giving so many comments, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys, and please keep doing it on. And so basically, my channel is a very useful channel, and you should subscribe it. Now there are lots of reasons. The first reason is, in my channel I teach coding, from which you can become a successful person in your life, because I've created lots of apps right now and I upload their videos also. Yeah. Second of all, I upload some interesting videos, not only a coding video, so my channel does not get, if you're kind of like you're doing coding but you think that I should post something else also, so it's not like that, because I upload piano dance videos as well, and I teach it also, and I get a lot of comments, right? So guys, thank you so much. Very thank you, guys. I really like it. I love this effort. You guys have me. You guys subscribe me, and I am on 95 subscribers. And I made my 100 videos milestone today. I'm so happy, guys. And let me tell you, there were twists. Whoever subscribes me and is the 100th subscriber of mine will get a surprise. Now a surprise is a surprise. So that surprise will be revealed in the video. So guys, I'm so extremely happy. Like I never expected that I will reach in 100 videos. Like I really appreciate your hard work. Thank you guys a lot. You're liking my videos, you're viewing them, you're putting a lot of interest, and you should also, right? Coding is a thing very interesting, from which you can build lots of apps and quite new things, right? So guys, thank you so much. Thank you. I really am so happy. Yes. Thank you guys, and please keep on viewing my videos, liking my videos, subscribing my channel, my brother's channel, my Thanks to the Kids channel, and keep on viewing our videos, because you get to learn a new thing every day, right? So thank you guys, keep on supporting me like this, and I really hope you like the video. Once again, If you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel and my brother's channel and the Tennis for the Kids channel. Bye guys, see you soon. Thank you guys once again for viewing my videos, and yeah, and don't forget that there's a major surprise for the 100 subscriber. You will love that surprise. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye guys. And 3 and 2 and 1. Snap. Sorry. Dab.